today also I came, and always I'm trying to give more concepts and some guide, new directions. I want to see when I am here in Tamil Nadu, especially I want to see all mathematics students have to reach in all IITs, IICs, and whenever I am seeing they are going there, then I am feeling very well. And whatever now telling is and all from heart, everything I am telling. And I want to see as a scientist. I can tell that my students are in ISRO. I can tell that my students are in IITs. And always my target, whatever I will give, you use in good way. You can crack your IITs exam interviews. That time I am giving everything. And if you are reaching in IITs and all, for that you have to take first one target. Target means not normally that I will clear or I will clear. You have to take target one mandatory. That I will clear means clear. Otherwise I won't do anything. Not like that I want to do everything for M.Sc from IIT and any problems will come, any tension will come, then I will change my target. When you are thinking target means no is second step. IIT means IIT. And you have to give more thanks to our professors in your college, that they are thinking, they are caring this much to you, that they are calling our kind teachers, professors in your college to some good guidance. You are very lucky. Otherwise I saw more colleges, this much they are not thinking. They are coming, taking class, going, don't care about students where going, where their life, B.Sc complete, M.Sc complete. But your professors are thinking. They are calling us. We are also one step that I can send you there. And IIT's exam, here M.Sc student also or only B.Sc?
Second session.
All are B.Sc. Okay, then M.Sc students, B.Sc students they are feeling IIT's exam, CSIR exam. If one time if you will clear this exam and all, your life will change. You can go IITs, from there you can do research. And your life is first. Second, your complete generation will change. Third step, we have to remember one thing always, that somebody are following us. Suppose you cleared IITs, you went IIT, there you are doing M.Sc, PhD. After that, you will think that I got success, everything finished. No, somebody are following you. That she did like that, I will do also. And who is following you, you have to also care that somebody for maybe my friend, my sister, my brother, they are following me. So you have to guide them. You reach it there, everything finished, no. Who are following you, you have to guide them. Because they have to reach also. Each and every students have to go there. After M.Sc, after B.Sc, no stop. And IIT's exam, CSI exam is not easy exam. Maybe you will get more frustrated, more tension. But not tough also. Not easy and not tough. If you will read, if you will take your target, I have to clear this clear. Otherwise, nothing. Means this is very easy exam. Or if you will take very normal is that okay, I am preparing, I have one target, clear means okay, otherwise another way. Then you can't clear. IIT exam is whenever I am seeing also question paper no how clear person. How is she clear? So IIT exam is not easy. Their question and all no very different type, research level question. Sometimes I am hearing that IITs and all torturing with the students. Especially B.Sc students are, they are torturing. Because your level is very low and they are asking only just IIT JAM telling, related B.Sc telling, but this is not B.Sc student exam. All M.Sc, PhD, research level, everything they are asking. By this name, IIT JAM and CSIR, everything are same. All questions are same, professors preparing only. Just name different. So if you will see question of Mari also fear will come. But you can do. This is not that you can't do, you can do. Proper way you have to guide and you have to take target. I will do means I will do. Either I have to give time. Any place if you will give time, no, must you will get success. Time not giving, not possible. Time have to give. Revise more, conceptual have to read. And especially research level, any time of this exam and all IIT's exam, CSI exam is questions. If you will read properly, no, very slowly, very conceptually, very thinking. By my experience, 60% solutions in question itself. 40% only extra have to think. And how I will write. 60% there itself. By words, by letter, by statement, there itself. Any place have to search that solution. Where is that solution in that question? Otherwise in options. These are all objective type question. So in option also there solution right. But you have to search. For this very big topic have real analysis, then complex analysis, modern algebra, linear algebra, matrices. This topic and all very for B.Sc M.Sc nothing. No one feel coming okay, pass, clear, I have to read theorem and like that. But wherever you will come IIT, JAM or CSI, you have to think research. Whenever you are thinking okay, I will prepare for IIT, JAM or CSI, from that day you think you are one scientist. Because you have to think like that, then only you can crack. Scientist, if you won't think, you can't crack. Your thinking power have to increase. We are neglecting our B.Sc, M.Sc time. I also did more. We neglect some definitions. We neglect this coming, not coming, okay, leave another, we will read. You know, whatever we are doing, that only is the importance. That only important. And mostly B.Sc, M.Sc time what we are reading, that only coming in exam. So, whenever you are coming in research, you have to read everything. Either you are liking or not liking, this is not matter. I don't like, so I won't read. This will come. And this is the important. Each and every steps have. Any step if you are not reading, you can't go next. And anything if you will leave, no need, this is not important for syllabus or IITs for CSIR. Nothing not important also you have to read because maybe that solutions, that concepts, any place connected there. When you will go there, you will get disturbed. You will get problem. How I can't understand. That time in your mind will think, I am not reading that, so I am studying here. So must you have to read each and every steps. Our B.Sc or M.Sc time we are reading more theorems. Our B.Sc, M.Sc time we are reading more theorems. Because one reason, first reason, that our exam question preparing theorem. Every finite integral domain and every field, like the more theorems preparing, because we have that time we have to read that theorem full, we have to prove, and we have to write that only we will get B.Sc, M.Sc 90-80% marks. I saw question paper, Madras universities and all. I published more books, and also some books are coming. I got more books. Maybe some books will come. First time, I don't know. First time, without theorem will come. No theorems. Can you think how that I am writing? I am teaching also without theorems. Don't want any place theorem. When I was in also B.Sc and M.Sc, I was also getting tension. Why these theorems and all preparing? Who prepared these theorems and all? How came? From concept theorem coming up, from theorem concept preparing. Finally, I feel if our concepts are strong, no theorem coming from there. 99% you can feel from my books that no any theorem is there, but everything you will understand. And anybody any theorem will ask, so you can give answer. Full real analysis, modern algebra, complete no theorem, no anything. If your concepts is strong, without theorem you can do everything. Theorem is what? Whatever our voice, that only writing as a theorem. Similarly and suppose. We are seeing modern algebra one theorem. You are maybe B.Sc this syllabus B.Sc modern algebra have no. So maybe mostly students that every group of order 4 is always available. You remember? Or another one theorem have every group of order less than equal to 4 always available. So this theorem and how coming? For that have to think more. If you can think that, nothing. No need to write any theorem. You will feel very better. Because 90% B.Sc students are fearing from theorem. Have to read, not understanding, then have to learn, because in exam will come. Linear algebra, very big topic have basis set. Basis set name if you tell students are sketching. This much fear have from basis set. Just one definition. But basis set name is basis. But for basis set, basic have to read linear span. Linear span is the very big topic and completely depend on theorems. But each and every concepts I wrote or I am teaching without theorem. And you ask with me any theorems, I can prove that. No anything in theorem. Just if your concept is strong, then only similarly, and suppose that you write and concept you write finished. So you take target if you want to clear IIT, CSIR, ISER, ISI, CMI, anything. You take target, I have to strong my concept. you have to read each and every words. Whatever you are neglecting, no, basics and definition don't want it. So whatever you are neglecting, you have to read each and every word. What is the meaning of basis? What is the meaning of set? What is the meaning of linear? What is the meaning of span? Real analysis we are reading. Continuous function, differentiable function. What is the function? What is the function? First, if any place if you will go now, anybody will ask what is the definition of function. And in real analysis, this function word now more clear meaning. These are the reality I am telling. I saw function definition are silent. Before mathematics, no, if you are going to read any topics, no, first you feel. First you feel with your life. If not understanding, no, that meaning you match with your life, you can understand very well. Mathematics is completely depend on our life. Each and every topic, each and every concept I can prove you that we are using in our life. We are seeing each and every day in our life. Very good concepts I will give you. You know, function meaning just machine. Something will come. Function finish. Juice drinking, no? Outside, 60 rupees glass. What drink? Mosami kabhi mosami juice. Banana pudding, banana juice. What is that? Machines. Whatever I am putting, that is our domain. Whatever I am getting, that is our range. Where I am getting, that is our codomain. Finish. Domain, codomain, range, complete tensor. Name only giving tensor. Here, whatever I will put, that is our domain. Range will come. One juice center, one menu giving no. Apple juice, grape juice. That is our codomain. Codomain है what you get. Mosami juice one. Put here, here. In this function, there is one mapping, on two mapping, one on two mapping, many one mapping, more mapping. Complete real analysis, 90% real analysis, only in real life. This real life is real analysis. Function, we are defining one on two maps, one correspondence, many one mapping. Very graphically we can read. This is the x square function. y is equal to x square. This function, if you want to know this is 1-1 mapping or onto mapping, more definition hai. No need to read any definition. One straight line you choose, that straight line take parallel with x-axis. X-axis is our domain. X value I will put here, I will get at 0, 0. Function our y is equal to fx, fx is equal to x square. x1, 1 you will get, 2, 4 you will get, 3, 9 you will get, -1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, -3, 9, -2, 4. Everything are positive. This is our 0, this will go up to positive infinite. Whatever you will put from minus infinite to plus infinite domain elements, you will get always positive. Your all coordinates 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, here -1, -1, -2, the 4, -3, 9, all positive. So what we are getting? What is our y coordinate? Our y coordinates we are getting this. This curve coming all x comma y. This also x comma y. So x from here, y only this. So our range what getting? 0 to infinite. Domain what we are putting? Complete minus infinite to infinite we are putting domain. But range what coming? 0 to infinite. Whatever range we are getting, that is the important. Codomain what they will give, by that we will think. Suppose for this function, complete real number is the domain, and codomain also I will give complete real. Complete real is the codomain. But range that we are getting only 0 to infinite. Non-negative real numbers. Non-negative real numbers by telling. You know what is this 0? You can't tell this is the positive or negative. Neither positive nor negative. This is the non-negative. This is R plus if you will take. If R plus if you will take, this is the meaning of positive real number. And positive real number, this 0 is not belongs to positive real number. So if in your interval, this type if I will write, open interval 0 to infinite. So 0 is not here. 0 side open here, 0 is not here. We can tell this is the positive real number. But if you will do 0 is here, means closed interval. Now 0 is here. In this interval 0 is here. In this interval 0 is not here. So this is a positive real number. But this is not positive real number. This is non-negative real number. And you can denote like that R plus union 0. So if you want to understand function and all, before that we have to understand about intervals. Here I am getting 0 to infinite range, 0 also I am getting. This is the non-negative integer. Sorry, non-negative real number. But our codomain is full real number. So this is containing in R, means containing in codomain. Hereafter, I told that if you want to know 1 1 1 2 maps and all, I told for 1 1 you choose one straight line passing parallel with x-axis, cuttings at more than 1 point. This is the range value. This is the range value. This is the range value. This is the y coordinates here x comma y, x comma y, x comma y. Here x comma y, x comma y, x comma y. This y both side coming, this y both side coming, this y both side coming. But our domain values are different. At 1 you will get what? 1. At minus 1 also you will get 1. At 2 you will get 4. At minus 2 also you will get 4. This meaning that minus 1, 1, 2, minus 2. Minus 1 is 1, 1, 2, 1. 2 is 4, minus 2 is 4. So more than one element have single image. So this is not 1 1. Two elements have one image. Two elements have one image. But if I will change domain, now in this case domain is complete real number, minus infinite to infinite. But if I will change domain, 0 to infinite, only 0 to infinite domain is. Hereafter domain is 0 to infinite, not minus infinite to infinite. You can't choose minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, you can't choose. You have to choose anything from 0. This meaning that 0 and 1 is not there. So this is off. Why this is closed interval 0 1? This meaning 0 and 1 is there, so this is closed. Okay, very good. Another way I will tell you open and closed meaning. This is closed type have, so this is closed interval. This is open type have, so this is open interval. This all you need. If 0 and 1 is not there, then why I am writing here? Gate is closed, so closed interval. Gate is open, means open interval. This is gate for this. This is what? Gate closed. This is gate open. No problem. Very good. You told. At least you are standing and trying and telling this is a very good. And in your age, this is the very correct answer. Hereafter, main concepts I will tell you. Open interval meaning, closed interval meaning. This 0 to 1, no? In complete real life, for our life, this is enough. Our life also we can't finish. This much numbers are here. Our life will finish between 0 to 1, never will finish. Between 0 to 1, infinite number of rational irrational points are. Have no? Infinite number of rational irrational numbers. We can't count, and if we will see, no, 1 point from here. 1 point is I will choose 1 by 2. Again I will, for this complete 0 to 1, each and every point if you want to see, you have to use microscope with more power than glass power. Also this won't finish. Each and every numbers are connected numbers here. Any numbers if you will take over in field, the numbers I am taking on upper side, all numbers will come connected. All. Any place I will go, only numbers will connect. No any disconnected number. Hereafter you have to think that what I am telling connected numbers and disconnected numbers. How you will feel. Between 0 to 1, okay. Suppose set of natural number if I will choose 1, 2, 3, like that will go. Here these numbers are not connected numbers. Each and every points, each and every numbers are isolated numbers. Isolated alone. 1 separate, 2 separate, 3 separate, 4 separate, disconnected numbers. You have remembered your B.Sc. M.Sc. question paper coming, connected set R is connected or not, interval is connected or not, set of natural number is connected or not, set of natural number is disconnected. No connection. All are isolated points, separate points. Set of real number is connected. Every interval is connected. Every interval, either that is open interval, closed interval, every places are connected. But suppose I will choose R star. R star meaning all non-zero real numbers except 0. R star we can write minus infinite to 0, open interval, union 0 to infinite. So R star disconnect no? From 0, two parts, minus infinite to 0, 0 to infinite. 0 is not there. But just now I told no, 0 is not here, then why I am writing? 1 is not here, then why I am writing? I won't write. If 0 is not here, R star 0 is not here, then why 0 writing? Reason only one thing. We can't tell what is the after 0 element. Zero is not here in this interval. Open interval 0, 1. 0 is not here. But what is the after 0 element? Can you tell? Before 1 element. Can you tell? We can't tell. There does not exist. There does not exist any 0 plus epsilon will come. Any 0 plus epsilon after 0 and 1 minus epsilon before 1. But what is that number? We don't know, we can't tell. So this is our this is necessary. That 0 we have to write, but 0 also is not there. We are understanding now just our language. 0 is not here, also we have to write. So 0 writing after the open giving. 1 is not here and 1 we have to write before 1 elements we don't know. If we know means I will write, but we don't know. So before one elements we don't know, so one writing and often giving. This is between 0 to 1, infinite number of rational irrational points are. Here after main definition I will tell you why 0 is not there, why 1 is not there. You know neighborhood? Neighborhood definition? Any M.Sc students? Can you explain anybody? In our life neighborhood meaning or no? Okay, good. First, neighborhood meaning you understand from your life. Then only you can understand about this. You are coming any place, you are living no any place, any society. More flat is there, maybe one society, 50 flats are there, 50 families can be. 50 families are there. In that society, 50 families are there. No? All 50 families are neighborhood to each other. Either you are going there or this is not better. I am not going there. Why they are my neighbors? No. In their society, 50 families are there. All are neighborhood to each other. If you are not accepting this, how this is possible? I am not going there. I don't know them. We are not calling any function or anything. Then they are how they are our neighborhood. They are our neighborhood. So in these 50 families, all 50 families are neighborhood to each other. This meaning our complete, what is our complete set? Our set is all 50 families. So in that 50 families, all are living in one set. So complete that society is the neighborhood of each and every families. But if you will think from our another set, I will choose any person, I will tell he is my neighborhood, does not exist. He is not in your society first. How he is your neighborhood? Same neighborhood concept here I have to think. Between 0 to 1, we have infinite number of rational irrational numbers. Each and every points are neighborhood to each other. And neighborhood definition they prepared that if you are choosing any point 1 by 2, any point, not 1 by 2, any type of points between 0 to 1. Any point P. This P, one neighborhood we have to write P minus epsilon and P plus epsilon. P minus epsilon to P plus epsilon. And you know before this I will tell, very important that very bad with us that we are fearing from this epsilon. We are fearing from this epsilon. Why writing? Don't write. Then you will feel that no need mathematics. This time we are coming from epsilon, from delta. You don't know what near P. This word sentence why near P meaning? If you are fearing from epsilon delta, no, you don't write. Don't want. Otherwise, you feel this is just one number, nothing. This is just any number, Poisson number, greater than 0 number. Epsilon itself we are coming, epsilon. After the field will come, no need to replace. Delta, epsilon. So by seeing itself here coming, no, you don't write epsilon, you don't write delta. Another you write from x, you want here. Just this is one number, greater than 0, number denoted standard number denoted x, our function also, and x here I will write also. No problem, I can understand for myself. But this is not standard. Epsilon delta they prepared for some standard place, we will use this. But this is one number of greater than 0 number. Anything, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 10, 1 by 100, 1 by 1 lakh, 1 by 1 crore, anything you tell. So this epsilon, P minus epsilon to P plus epsilon I write. Here you see